Come along. We're going to the Amish auction at Hollering Hills Auction in Nathalie, Virginia. Today we're on a mission to win an auction bid for 3 to 5 chickens so that they can be lady friends for our lonely rooster, Lenny. We're here. This is Hollering Hills Auction. The auctions are held on Thursdays and they start at 4:30 p.m. We try to arrive by 4 p.m. so we can have a chance to look around. Once they start, all 3 auctions are run simultaneously. There's an outside area for general merchandise that you might take to a local auction or have in a yard sale. The other auction area is for hay, farm supplies, and birds. That's the one we'll be going to because we are interested in chickens. The final area that is part of the 3 simultaneous auctions is for livestock. We couldn't get any pictures of that this time. They had a restriction on being able to go back to see the animals before the auction started. And if you've forgotten to bring your water bottle and a snack, they have a snack shop, and that's great too. Beside the snack shop is a room where they have baked goods and produce and other food-related items that are going to be auctioned as part of the outside general area auction as well. So I got to look at those when I went to get my snack because I did forget my water bottle. After a quick walk around, we went to the bird area. They had roosters, chickens, goslings, geese, turkeys, ducks, quail, pigeons, and rabbits. I don't know why the rabbits were with the birds, maybe because they were little animals. I was a little sad though because I asked if they were for pets, and they're not. I fell in love with the first gray goose. He was so cute and so friendly. He came right up to me and started chattering, and when I would talk, he would listen. I was ready to take him home, but it was not to be. I also noticed the ducks were in pairs in the cages, and each pair was a lot for the auction bid.
$2, $1 bill. 1, now 2, and 2, now 3, now 3, now 4, now 4, and 3, 4. 4, now 5, and 5, now 4, 5, now 5, and 4, now 5, now 4, 5. Sold at $4, 44.70, 44.70. Then number 32, you're buying 5 hands there, 5 hands there, now 10, now 10, now 10, 5, now 5. 4 hands there, now 4, now half. Sold at $4, 50, 30, 10. So $4 the number. 170, 170. Then number 36, you're buying 10 chicks. 10 chicks, they're not 25 cents. 25 cents and 25, 25 and 50 cents. 50 now, 25 and 50 cents and 25 and 50 cents. So they 25 cents. So $6,000, 44.70, 44.70. Number 58, I take to the man. Look at it, you want to know that alone for the passion. Number 39. 4, 2, 3, 2. So, number 4861. Number 61, 38, 38, 25, 25, 75, now 35, now 75, good 75, get that one according, now 125, good 27. Five, holy chicks, all right, good 30, I need 30, now get 30, get 30, now 50, now 75, and 30, good 75, and 50, now 75.
We won the auction bids for lot 31 of 3 hens and lot 57 of 2 hens. So we brought 5 hens home to be lady friends for Lenny and to lay eggs for us. When we arrived home, we opened the carrier and the hens came out one by one. They settled in pretty quickly. Lenny had an issue at first, but everyone was settled and getting along within a few minutes, and we were very happy about that. We're also happy that the new hens and Lenny are in the reinforced, repaired chicken coop and yard that is the Fort Knox coop. Unfortunately, what led to Lenny being alone was a predator attack. We had a raccoon who killed 5 hens. Lenny's very docile and only protects himself. This is Gia from Jolly Pine Living. Thank you so much for coming along to the auction with us and seeing Lenny greet his new lady friends. We hope that you will like, comment, and subscribe. We would love to have you join our community. We do appreciate you. Until the next video, please take care. You are important and matter.